An orange twist, of course, is not the same thing as an orange zest. So, although you start out in the same way by cutting either with a knife or with a potato peeler your zest-shaped piece of skin, you then need to make this into something that you can twist. So you're going to actually trim this down into a thinner strip, like so. And then you're going to need to twist this around something. So usually I use a straw, something along those lines, or a stirrer. You can twist that around the edge like that. Okay, and you just hold that in place to keep the shape. So it will actually look like a twist when you drop it into your drink or put it on the edge of your drink as a garnish. And as you will notice, when that comes off there, you've got that spiralized twist that you would recognize from cocktail pitchers. You can obviously make these as long or as short as you wish, depending on what glass and what drink you're making them for.